Check out Yard League feed people. You know something go. Me have to believe in the ones them will love me. But it's grabber in Jamaica right now. Yard League, I never give me strength, me never throw a stone behind me. I testing when Jamaica people. Check it out, you know what I mean? Yard League, get it. All of the smokers them get that something here. So me a reason upon the end stage if they get a youth to get real intelligent.
So me a reason upon the end stage if they get a youth to get real intelligent, man.
All right, welcome back to MG Sports TV. Hopefully, you guys are doing good and everything is totally fine. We're going to discuss the game yesterday and most definitely, we will be jumping into the player ratings. People, calm down, calm down. It's not as bad. It's not as what you guys think. It's not as bad as how you think. Anyways, big up on yourself. Thank you very much for tuning in. Show sponsored by Yardleaf JA. Make sure you go and check them out. Even message people. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. You can also support us by buying us a coffee. The link is in the description. Make sure you definitely do so. All right, so an interesting game. First, we're going to touch on just a little general talking points surrounding the game. Then we're going to jump straight into the player ratings. Quite important, and we'll do so. Let me just touch off and say it's not the best performance. I have to give it. But where performance is concerned, you want the win. That's the first and foremost. And we are happy for the win. And nothing at all is wrong if people have issues with the performance. There's nothing wrong with you having that general concern that you don't think it's sufficient to carry over the line. But I do believe that one of the big factors our issues persons are not even realizing is the quality of the squad. Now, there is this notion that the coach is not doing his best, or the coach is just idling or sitting down the sideline just looking in the sky. I don't subscribe to that. None at all. None whatsoever. I don't subscribe to it. I do believe, though, if the Reggae Boyz strikers were clinical on the day, Jamaica finished the game 7 or 8-0, the feeling, the talking would be different. Even if we still consider those two goals. All of them talking would be totally different. And I really don't think you'd see or hear some of the things that you're hearing. You're hearing that the coach is no good, JPL ball is no good, because yeah, that me I hear. Because somebody even tell me that the JPL ball is no good. And only 2 of them start. Two start. And then make a side play so. Anyways, but there's so much negativity about despite coming from a win. Nothing's wrong with having high expectations, but you also have to recognize where you are, what is happening, and what the team is like. We don't have the quality. Our perception of a team is of Barcelona, Real Madrid, and Man City. That's our perception. But in reality, the quality of the team is the Reggae Boyz. That's the quality of the team. The quality of the team is the Reggae Boyz. And I'm not saying, I said it earlier, there's nothing wrong with having high expectations and demanding the best, demanding the utmost highest standard from the team, from the coaches, from the players. Nothing at all is wrong with that. But you also have to recognize the level that you're at and what you're doing. It come like one baby. It come like you're just a level play FIFA, right? And you go play against the expert them, the expert them who have developed the game, who have playing for years. And you just take up one control and say I play some FIFA on an Xbox or PS. And you're demanding of yourself. You're demanding of yourself to beat the legends or the experts. Because they might score 1 goal and say, yeah man, if me can't score 1 goal, it means that me can't beat them. Yeah. Not only that, the second point is that people are going to say, you know what, the Dominica team is not good. That's what they're going to say. So we should not be struggling against the Dominica team. And really and truly, we didn't struggle. That's just the honest truth. I think a lot of us are watching the football with a cap on, and if you don't take off the cap, they won't be able to see the entirety of the game. Yes, the game, the last 15 minutes was nervy, but the truth is, go and watch about the last 50 minutes of the game. They didn't really cause us any problem. Yes, they scored the free kick, which is a good free kick. But what the threat? What was the threat? They only created one big chance the entire game. And that was the ball in the pass around the two defenders there, and the striker run onto it. That's the only big chance that they created. But nevertheless, nothing is wrong with, as I said, having high expectations and demanding. But first half, done we have must about 68% possession. We created 3 big chances. They created none. If we had been clinical the first half alone, we done 5-4-0, 4 or 5-0, easily. Second half, another 3 or 4 more upon it, 9-0. Pack up with things and go home. But guess what? That didn't happen because of football this year. You have human error as a factor. Let's get into the player ratings, people. Let's get into player ratings. Who gonna touch on first? Let's start off first of all with the defenders. We're gonna start off with the defenders first. I think that's the optimum, not defenders, goalkeepers. I think that's the best position to start off. Jamal Wade. Spoke with someone this morning about him just being a bit hesitant in the goal. Sometimes if you come like unsure. Goal and concede, yeah, I think he came off late off his line. Just a little bit too late off his line. And the player around him. But the free kick, actually a good free kick. But the truth is, it wasn't even trouble that much for me to can really say, boy, he really had a horrible game. Can't see the free kick and the goal, 2 goals. I don't think he really had that much of a bad game. I'm going to say probably 6.5. He was not that horrible because him doing if you do. Take control of moments when he need to. Yeah, hesitant to come out of the goal line and people are going to say because of that, you consider goalie. That's how it is. Also, the free kick, boy, that was a good free kick. I have to say, that's a good free kick. Next, let's go to the right back position. Dexter Lembikisa showed a lot of energy down the right hand side. The Dominica winger, I think, is Laville. He really wanted to test Dexter, but I thought that the pace that Dexter had was quite good and the aggression that he showed was quite good. I'm going to say Dexter, I'm going to give Dexter a 7. Deshaun Bernard, relatively okay game. Sometimes he look a bit unsure. So I'm going to give Bernard a 7 also. I felt like King was good as well. I thought King was good. 1 and 2 moments look quite composed actually. The goal when I concede, I don't think that has anything to do with the defenders. I don't think the defenders could have done anything about that. I don't think they could have done anything about that because the ball played way wide around the 2 defenders, and the striker was running between the 2 of them. They can't unless them foul him, and that tentative could be a red card. And the player just going. So I think a 7 for the defenders. 7 for all the defenders can be good. I probably give Greg Lay. I give Greg Lay a 7 as well. So the entire backline, I'm going to give them a 7. I give the entire backline a 7. No, we saw the youngster Kerry Anderson playing in a deeper role like this, like a central defensive midfielder. Even sometimes Casey Palmer dropping between the lines as well. So they kind of play, sometimes look like a double pivot, but them rotate. They rotate like this. So Kerry Anderson, I thought he had a good game. I thought Kerry was quite comfortable on the ball, distributing the ball, making quite some good ball recoveries as well. I'm going to give Kerry a 8. I give Kerry a 8. I thought he was really good. I like his performance. Casey Palmer now, I didn't really like the Casey Palmer performance, if I'm being honest. I didn't really like it. I thought we can demand a bit more from Casey Palmer. I'm going to give Casey Palmer probably a 6.5. I thought that not the best game. Sometimes he gave the ball a little bit too loosely. Made 1 and 2 recoveries, but he didn't have that much impact, especially playing a little bit more forward than Kerry. He didn't have that much impact on the game. get caught out on the ball a few times as well. So I'm going to give Casey Palmer 6.5. Bobby Reid, in and out of the game. When it does involve in the game, you can see his impact. I'm going to give Bobby Reid a 7. I think we have to demand more from Bobby Reid, you know, the quality that he has. I give Bobby Reid a 7. Next player, Cephas, Ronaldo Cephas. Yes, he did register an assist, which kickstart, I think a kickstart the game. Yeah, no, him assist, I think I'm assist Kaim. So Boza goal kickstart the game and Kaim scored the next one. I think it's not the best performance. I do think that sometimes he can mix it up a little bit and go inside. But I'm going to give Cephas a 7 as well. I'll have to factor in also the assist. I do believe that he can mix it up every now and then. You don't have to necessarily have to go down the left hand side or try to go beyond the player. He can also come inside and probably do a little bit of link up. So that is definitely something that he can add to his game. Next player is Kaim Dixon. Boy, countless, whole heap of chance. Boy, Papi, he get about 4 goals. But youngster, he scored. That's the easiest one. Them and look on the goal and score. I thought it was a brilliant goal. I thought the goal he scored was a really, really good goal. Well executed goal. It looks good. That's the defender. It looks good today. But certainly, he must go start put away those chances. If anyone 19 years say, boy, you want to get them chances there, I do think a lot of persons will say, you know what, we don't want him drop at Kaim foot. And he did get them, but he did not capitalize. But he was heavily involved in the game. Every time something happened in the attacking third, his name was mentioned. I'm going to give Kaim a 8.5. I'm going to give Kaim a 8.5. 8.5. I'm going to give him an 8. No, I'm going to give him an 8. Shaman Nicholson now. Boy, both ahead, that's just a whole per chance, man. Even Shaman Nicholson, that's a whole per chance, people. Adrian Reid knock one way over the top in front of goal and Boza that show. But it goes to show that players, Boza is played at a high level in one of Europe top 5 league. Kaim Dixon, youngster as well, are playing at the Jamaica Premier League. Both of them basically share the game equally in chances missed, score one of the chances, moving in on and off the ball movement, getting involved in the game. So I do think that that's what it is. So I'm going to give Boza a 8 as well. So Cara Anderson, Kaim Dixon, and Shaman Nicholson are all players who finish on 8. All players who finish on 8 match rating. So you pick who you choose out of them to be a man of the match. Probably I'm going to say, I don't know, probably I say Karai, I don't know. I feel like Karai, you have a more, well, even though both of them get paid for score. Tough. Anyway, substitution, Michael Hector, whoa, tough. That was tough. Hector, I get Hector 6.5. Deshane Beckford, I do think he come out with a lot of pace, energy, drive them down to the byline. I'm going to give him a 6.5 as well. And also Alex Marshall, kind of didn't necessarily see the major impact that he made. Came on, made his passes, but I think he did a little bit more defensive work than you'd want him to do. You want him more in the attacking third. I'm going to give him a 6.5 as well. And Daniel Johnson, I thought that Daniel Johnson would have come out and made a bigger impact, but unfortunately that didn't happen. So probably Daniel Johnson 6.5 as well. So I'm going to give all the substitute them 6.5. I'm going to be a bit fair. I'm going to be a bit fair there. Hector now, a lot of persons that cause Hector about the foul. If Hector never foul the player get behind him. And if the player did score, get behind him and score, people like say, boy, Hector make the man just walk past him and go score so. But Hector take down the player and the player score a good free kick. Troy Jules as well, play for Mount Pleasant. See? Interesting. Anyways, people, that's it for the match ratings. Big up on yourself, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Drop your match ratings in the comment section. Team ratings, I'm going to go 7.5. Coach Al Grimson, I'm going to give him a 7. I'm going to give him a 7. 7.5 for the team. Yeah, we can perform better. I think we can perform better. I think it was a decent performance, but we have to take our chances. So because we don't take our chances, we're going to say we can perform better. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit subscribe button. See you guys again. Until next time, like, share. You can buy us a coffee. Link in the description, also in the comment section. It will be the pinned comment. Big up yourself. Video sponsored by Yard Leaf. Big up yourself, Yard Leaf JA. Massive respect. MG Sports TV. God bless. We're out. Boom.